Hey, I went and picked up 5 gallons of Pro Block oil primer. And we're gonna be painting these walls and shit. And I just found out today, though, a couple of minutes ago, that the fucking electricity is still on in the renter's name. And the fucking power company's coming out today to disconnect the fucking power and pull the meter off of the fucking box. Because it has to be done before the fucking owner can get the power cut back on in his name and shit. So at some point today, we're gonna lose fucking power. So right now, I'm trying to fucking go ahead on and do what I can do that fucking doesn't require fucking power. So blow these shelves off and shit like that. And sand some stuff down that I probably won't be able to see once the fucking power goes off. And get ready so that when they do cut the power off, I can just open the windows up and fucking and I can roll what I can see. Alright, so I done sanded all the sheetrock mud down everywhere, and I'm ready to start fucking rolling some primer and shit. And I'm using an 18-inch fucking half-inch roller and an 18-inch pan, and I always take a fucking big construction trash bag and tape around that motherfucker. So at the end of the day, if I'm not done, I can shove my roller nap down in there and then take another bag and stick down on top of it. I come back the next day, I can fucking pull that bag off and all my shit's still right. That way I don't have to fucking keep cleaning this shit and fucking putting it back and all other shit and everything. And when I'm done, I can just pull the fucking bag out, or the fucking roller thing, and fucking put another bag right in on top of it and fucking get my exterior fucking latex paint that I'm gonna put on the walls and put it in there and just fucking keep on rolling. So I'm gonna go on there and fucking start rolling all this shit out. I saw with a dining room, come around that fucking wall in here, hit the bathroom, and keep on going. Not worried about cutting or nothing, just gonna get the big bulk of it on there. Alright, so it's 12:40, and these motherfuckers that came out here and pulled the meter off the house instead of just transferring it over to the homeowner's name from the rental tenant. They came out here and pulled the fucking meter off, and then they gotta let him know that he's gotta let them know that they pulled the meter before they'll come back out here and put it back on and shit. Does that make any fucking sense? Why not just fucking leave the damn meter on there and transfer the fucking shit out of one person's name to the other? Why you gotta pull the meter off and send the service guy here 2 times? That's a waste of time, resources, and money. Anyway, so here it is around 12:40, and I done fucking lost power, so I got no power in the fucking house now. So hopefully they might come back today and hook it back up. If they don't, they'll come back over here tomorrow and hook it up. So I'm just gonna go in here now and fucking open the blinds, open the windows, and let some draft come blowing through that bitch and fucking paint fucking in there when I don't need no light. Sometimes it's easier to paint. You can see more shit when you don't have light shining on it. So that's what that's where we're at right now. That's what we're gonna go fucking do today. I'll go in there and fucking paint with the lights turned off. Oh well, they knew that was coming anyway. It'd been nice if they could have did it on a weekend though, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're at the end of day 21. No good lighting in here, so it is what it is. The power company came today and pulled a meter out the box, so fucking we ain't got no power right now. But anyway, all the shit in here we've been sanding and priming every fucking thing with oil primer. That's what we've been doing today. Some stinking ass shit. Bathroom's close. Right now it's ready for paint. One thing, when you put this oil primer on, you go around, you start seeing some of the things on the wall that you need to fix, that you might not have been able to see before. But
like all them little holes in the ceiling.
Yeah, like all them little fucking holes in the ceiling and shit.
Why the hell they put holes in the ceiling?
I don't know, man. I think I'll come in here tomorrow morning and scrape that little clumps off, fill them all fucking holes up. I'm gonna roll this bitch again first thing in the morning. So this room didn't get primed yet, but it's all cut in.
Ain't no pulling prime in the ceiling, is it? You won't touch it up.
Nah, I'm gonna prime and paint that motherfucker. I'm gonna roll the fuck out of it. It's gonna be what it is. So, that's where we're at today. Been priming all fucking day, priming shit. Everything's all look white and bright. All the fucking lead boards primed. This room's not primed yet, or cut. Haven't really done a whole lot in this fucking room, but it's coming. So, the kitchen, that's not nothing done in there. Got to sand all that shit down. Anyway, sand to day 21. We ended up going through a whole fucking 5-gallon bucket of primer, and I need to go get another fucking bucket of primer tomorrow morning, another 5 gallons. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section, and I'll get back with you personally with an answer. Watch the other 300 videos of how to do things and reviews and stuff that we've also done, and something for everybody. Subscribe to the channel, that's important. We'll see you tomorrow on day 22 of our house renovation. Y'all have a good night.